talk a little bit more about what the mood is. I'm here with Firoozye, who's the senior rate strategist here at Nomura. What is driving sentiment today?
Well, we've got a couple things in particular. There's the AAA downgrade for the U.S. That should cause a brief downward spike in boons, downward spike in yields, given the ongoing flight to quality. You know, there's the panic trade. But on top of that, there's the ECB's targeting of Spain and Italy, something they announced last night, which we think is going to carry out all the shorts.
Well, we've seen yields drop for Italian and Spanish bonds. We've seen their bank stocks rise. Is this a short-term boost, or are we going to see this last for coming weeks?
Well, we think it's going to last for the coming days at least, because the ECB can go in good size, and we've heard of tickets as high as 100 million going through, which is significantly more than during the previous episodes of the S&P. And Spanish and Italian spreads tightening the boons by about 90 basis points each already. But as to whether it restores confidence, that's another big question.
Some disappointment, though, with the G7 statement, not as strong as you'd like to have seen?
Definitely not. It's very underwhelming, in fact. The G7 as well as the S&P, the France and the France and Germany accord, they stated no acceleration to the process of buying out the EFSF, of voting on the EFSF reforms, and so there's really no move towards deriving political consensus here.
So this isn't enough, you think, to really keep the markets calm until the political crisis can be solved?
It definitely isn't enough. I mean, I think what we'll see is that the ECB will drive spreads for now, and will drive the periphery, but really we'll begin to hear continuing dissent, the possibility of dissent on the ECB itself, and the possibility of political dissent in Germany and Northern Europe.
Now, just quickly, what are you seeing ECB intervention in the bond market today?
Well, we've seen that the ECB is targeting Spain and Italy with ticket sizes as large as 100 million, which is significantly larger than before, and the spreads are moving by as much as 90 basis points. We don't know where the day will end, but it's likely that there will be that it will drive out all the shorts. The big question is whether there will be any more longs left.
Great, thank you very much.